Let me tell you a little story. I was talking to a friend the other day, and she said something so profound. And I'm like, what? She said, if you've got a learning mind, life is easy. And I was like, now that is profound. And I never really thought about it like that. Because even in the business that I'm doing, if I've got a learning mind, which I do, it makes it easy. And by the way, for those of you who do know, or some of you don't know, if you're looking for high quality perfumes, I mean high quality perfumes, and they're so affordable. I mean, come on now, Christmas time is coming. Christmas time is coming. So, don't you want to save money on perfumes and get high quality perfume? And I mean, not the one that's watered down, but all the perfume oil in it is absolutely fantastic. So if you want to save some money, I'm your girl. Or if you want to partner with me, because I'm looking for ladies who want to partner with me also. Absolutely, why not? So reach out to me. Share this message with somebody who you think hopefully they love perfumes. That would help, definitely. Share this message with them. Let them know. Put the word out, okay? And have a fantastically blessed day.